Alright, so I told you I'd try and keep an update. Oh, look at my hair. I'm trying to keep an update around the hour. I did one at 6, this is at 7. Well, I can't open the door, the wind's pulling it. Let's try turning you guys around. Let's see if I can do it this way. Whoa. My little trees are still standing up there. This one that's closest to the house is the one I'm worried about. It leans the most. The one in the middle is broken a few times, so it's not nearly as tall as it used to be. And that one over there is also broken. They used to be about maybe 15 feet taller. You can kind of make out the clouds moving by pretty quickly. See how much that tree leans? Yeah. Not a huge fan of that tree. Those big trees over there, you can tell are really getting it. See if I can zoom you guys in. Can I zoom? Let's see. Whoa, that zooms a lot farther than I thought it would. So anyway, this is the 7 o'clock showing of what's going on in our neighborhood from the front porch. As you can tell, the sun is starting to come up a little bit, just enough for us to see. Just enough to see, but it is windy. And the wind was pulling this door so hard I couldn't open it a minute ago. So I'm gonna enjoy this electricity while we still have it and make me a cup of coffee. Hope everybody stays safe. Y'all take care. I kind of feel like, to be fair, I should show you out the back door too, because it's really, really windy. And you can see a lot more stuff going on out the back door. Those other trees are too far off. So let me spin you guys around. Put my strap on my hand just in case I lose the camera. I've been keeping the deadbolt closed because I've been reading that the winds can sometimes cause your doors to open. Notice I tied down the table here. Now the gutters are overflowing. Yeah. That's a look out the back door. I'll try and do that also when I do the recording. Anyway, everybody stay safe.